Now in number 4, we incorporate 2 different notes and we have rhythms. So we're going to practice this a few different ways. The first thing we're going to do is focus on the rhythm. So we are clapping, counting, and tapping. And remember, count when you would play, out when you would rest, count the whole time, and tap your foot in time with your counting. Here we go. 1 and 2, number 4, count and clap. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4. Now, since we have different notes in this, we're going to say note names. We're going to say note names. The note names, pardon me, are actually written inside the note heads. Make sure you're taking note of what space or what line these are on, because your music will not always have the note name written in the note head. Here we go, saying and fingering. Number 4, so we have our covered F hole for F, just like this. And then we have our open G with our right hand shading. So we're going to say note names in the rhythm that they would happen while we are fingering those notes. 2, ready, and F, 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 rest, switch to the new finger ring, G, 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 rest, 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 rest. And notice how I switched to that new fingering. I switched to G during those rests. I didn't wait until the last second to then jump. I switched in the middle of the rests. Now we're going to air and finger this. These are all techniques that will apply to other numbers and that you can use for the rest of your life. We're going to air and finger this one, which means we're going to do basically everything you would do while you're playing without making contact with the mouthpiece. And for clarinet, this can be a little weird because balance gets weird. So what I typically do is I will balance the clarinet. I will balance the clarinet between my knees while I'm holding it. So then I don't have to, I don't know how you would air and finger on clarinet without having it, without balancing it some other way. Here we go, number 4, airing and fingering. 1, 2, ready. Rest, 2, 3. Rest, 2, 3, 4. So I'm doing everything I normally would be doing, except I'm not actually blowing air through the instrument. And you'll notice you can hear me starting the note with my tongue, and you can hear lots of airflow. And that is also part of why we air and finger things, is to encourage lots of airflow, because that's the key to good tone. Now, let's play number 4. Have your first fingering ready. Go to anchored position. Big breath through your mouth. 1, 2, ready. And that's it.